Hi guys, hola happy. Hi guys, don't mind me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Oyinka Sayobi, and you can also call me Onibi. I know you're wondering why I'm smiling or I'm laughing. Anyways, it's so hard to get into character. It's so hard to just sit down. Imagine yourself just sit down, face your camera, and record for everybody to see, for people to judge, for people to comment. Today is one of those days when I'm finding it hard to get my words right, but you know what? I just gotta get into the game. Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oyinka Sayobi. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Here I talk about travel ideas, lifestyles, foreign living diaspora, business ideas, and a lot more that you can think of. Okay, so today I'm gonna be sharing with you 6 tips on how to save more money, have more money in your pocket. So as a financial advisor here in Germany, it's my duties to my client to help them have more money, have financial disciplines, and help them attain their goals. Yes, so I thought it would be great to bring it here to my YouTube family. It would be great to share these beautiful ideas with you. They are easy to practice. And remember that an habit is something that you constantly do. It becomes an habit when you constantly practice these things. My number one tip for you today is write out a clear plan and a budget. What this actually does for you is it helps you track your expenses. So what I mean is basically get a book and a pen at the beginning of the month. Thank God it's the beginning of July. Write out your major expenses. Note the things you need and the things you want. Remember that there's a difference between the two. So a need is different from a want. When you need something, it means they are necessities. And when you want something, it means they could be luxury or just for the fun of it. So note these things, like write out a clear budget and make a plan. A clear budget simply means, okay, so you're writing out, okay, my house rent is a necessity, you need it to pay for it. Feeding is a necessity, you need to pay for it. Yeah, housing, insurance, mortgage, those very necessary payments are things you need to pay for. So write out a clear budget, pay for it, and set aside a stipend for yourself to spend throughout the month. And number two tip for you is set a clear goal. And what this simply means is, why do you want to have more money? Why are you saving more money? Do you want to start a new business? Do you want to save so you can be able to pay for something? Do you want to save so you can go to school? So have a clear goal. When there's a clear goal behind your back, like when you have a clear goal, then the reason for you to have more money will be more visible. You'll be able to save this money. So set a clear goal. My number three tip for you is reduce your bills. Any unnecessary bills, like some people are paying for Netflix and they never use it. Some people are paying for paid option on Bado, Tinder, on all those social medias that are not very, like, some people are paying on YouTube and they really do not use it. So cut down necessary bills, all those bills that you know, oh, you don't really need it, cut it down. Imagine some people paying for gym for the whole of the year and then they never set foot in the gym. So there are some bills that are actually very unnecessary, so just cut it down, and this will actually help you save some money. So my fourth tip is cook more at home. All right, cooking at home actually saves you from doing a lot of eating out. I'm not saying eating out is bad, but then when you cook at home, take your lunch to work, it saves you from going to eat outside. Eating out is quite expensive. I don't know about where you live, but here in Germany, eating out is quite expensive compared to when you cook at home. So you can cook at home, take your lunch to work, and then you can give yourself one or two treats during the month. There's nothing bad at it, but then, like, cook my home, eat my home, and you see with this you'll be saving more money than incurring more expenses. And that brings us to our number 5 tip. So this one has really helped me a lot. You might want to try it. So leave your credit card debit card, your ATM cards, leave it somewhere in your house, go out without it. So anytime I go out and I see something I really like, whether I need it or not, clothes, shoes, bags, as long as I have my card in my wallet, I just simply bring it out and swipe. But these days I realize that when my credit card is not there, where am I going to get money to buy? So I just go through, look away. I look, I see, I walk away, I admire it. And if it's something I really need, I can organize to say, okay, so I'm going to get my credit card. But it has to be very, very important. A lot of us do not actually need the things we buy. We just buy because out of impulse. And my last but not the least tip today is watch your spending habits, watch your shopping habits. A lot of us are impulsive buyers. There are times you need to look away. Remember to distinguish between the things you need and the things you want. Anything that is not necessary at times, we just need to avoid. Only buy the things you need and ignore those that you do not need. Personally, there's something I always do in the past. So, whenever I have an occasion to attend, whether I'm being invited, as in Mogomoya, or whether I was invited, I always like to wear something new. So I go all the way. I go out of my way shopping for something new because I want to look good. But come to think of it, who are you trying to impress? Nobody actually really cares. It's okay to, like, of course, look good. Don't be like me that I can repeat clothes and I don't mind. But then at times, just wear whatever you have and use whatever you have. You can tone it up, tone it down. It means if you wore the trousers before and it's a top, you can. I'm just yarning dust, but then I think it's okay for us to reuse some of our things that we have instead of always changing and buying new ones whenever there's an occasion or there are events for us to attend. I think these are the places where our money goes into. And this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys have been able to learn a thing or two. I hope you'll be putting one or two of these things into practice. Try one or two or three or four and let me know how well you do at it. Remember, guys, the goal is to save more money, have more money, and achieve your goals. I'll be catching you guys in my next video. If you like my content and if you think you've learned from today's video, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.